Today is the day where I shift my future. What's up, guys? Before we get into this video, I want to say I am no way a professional investor, and no, that wasn't a joke. This is just my personal opinion. Viewer discretion is advised. This is my Robinhood portfolio, or it used to be. You can see I would deposit from my bank account and invest in dividend stocks without doing a lot of research in the company. I'll start off by saying Vanguard and Robinhood can help minimize costs with low or no commissions to buy or sell investments. I began my investments with Robinhood towards the end of 2017, and I didn't know what exactly I was doing. I was just excited. I was excited because I can call myself an investor. I own a part of this company, and when I say to others, your ego begins to build. Trust me on that. I noticed once I became an investor, I would constantly check my Robinhood portfolio to see if the stock market was going up or if it was going down. I wasn't even planning to remove some of the stocks I have just purchased. Just became a habit. I initially did more research about stocks, and I was starting to be concerned about the dividend. If it did not attract my attention, I would not put a single second further into the stock. Bad habit. After the hype went down for me, I put aside investing into the stock market. One day I decided to read The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins. Highly recommend it. That changed my investment perspective. I came back again with my mindset. I'm not going to trade or do short-time investments. I'm in this for the long haul. I decided to open a Roth IRA with Vanguard. Following J.L. Collins' advice, I'm going to purchase shares of VTSAX. That will initially to VTI. However, I'm going to be with a hybrid portfolio instead of index funds, and I'm also going to have single stock funds. Eventually, bonds to smooth the ride of my portfolio. And in 1 second, I will transition to the Vanguard website so you can see what exactly I'm going to plan to do. I'll meet you guys there.
A few inches later.
Alright, this is the Vanguard website. This is where I can see all the variety of accounts: CDs, bonds, mutual funds, index funds, ETFs, college plans. This is where I discovered traditional and Roth IRAs. I want to keep my money preserved. I want it to grow over time, and I found out through Roth IRA, you can have your money grow already taxed without having to pay taxes on the growth. There are some conditions, of course. You have to be 59 and a half to take out the money, but I'm in it for the long haul. It just seems like a great idea to me. Have all the dividends reinvested, compounding for me. Never taking out the dividends, always reinvest them. And with Vanguard, I just have to set it up with a couple clicks. I have it set up where it automatically deposits a certain amount I want to my account. So, for example, let's say I put 20 weekly. That's $80 a month. That's really doable. I'm playing this psychology trick on myself where money gets taken out of my bank account so quick. By the time I realize it happened, it's already working for me. Majority of companies do that trick where they withdraw money from your account and you don't even see it coming. I will have a follow-up video of my progress through my investments, my Roth IRAs, my journeys, my dividends, all that stuff. Last thing before I go, don't forget to hit that like button as it does help this beginning channel out. Much appreciated. See you guys.